everyone, welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to reactivate Twitter account. So watch this video till the end. To reactivate your account, all you have to do is log in with your username and password. So let's begin. First, open your Twitter app, then tap on Login that is on the bottom of your screen. Now enter your phone, email or username of your Twitter account and tap on Next. Now enter your password and tap on Login. It will ask you if you want to reactivate your account. Tap on Yes, Reactivate. So that is how you reactivate Twitter account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon on our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.